Yeah, hi guys.
Good evening, Ravi.
Yeah, good evening, good evening. Yeah, actually everything is
Yeah,
fine. Don't bother about the counting number in the session, guys. Okay, don't bother about the counting number in the session. Okay, so the thing
yeah,
is, yeah, so if only one member also there, I will explain it. Okay.
yeah. Okay, fine, Ravi.
Yeah,
Fine,
actually,
Ravi.
you know the guys what is so now let's understand because if I'm not explaining what load balancer client, right, then the fin client little bit critical. Internal you guys will not understand, right? Internal you guys will not understand in fin client, and the fin client only in the real time fin client only people are using, right? But the thing is, if we know that what load balancer client, then internal we know, right? Then internal things we know that, right? Then because in a fin client we don't have need to write more code, just we will write only one interface, then that one will work, right? That one will work. Okay, so now let's understand, guys. Okay, let's understand. So last time we completed this one, right? And this one also, right? Come on,
Yes, Ravi.
yeah, respond it. So
Yes, sir.
then we need to we need to develop what, we need to develop what, consumer application also, na? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And
Ravi. Yes, Ravi.
in the consumer we need to apply what, load balancer, right? Load balancer also we need to apply what, load balancer also. Good. So okay, fine. Now guys, so here what is that we seen that to develop, see, other Eureka, for the Eureka purpose we seen that, right? This is the Eureka server, and this one is what, this one is what, Eureka discovery client, means what, producer application we develop. But at the time of developing what, consumer application, right? Consumer application, what we need, Eureka discovery client plus what is that, spring web, and what is that, ribbon also we need, na guys? Come on.
Yes, required.
Yes, yes.
but
Yes,
but
Ravi.
but
Yes, Ravi.
but guys, ribbon is available only in what is that,
Mindful.
spring starter 2.3.11 only, 2.3.11 version only, right? 11 version only. Just I seen that documentation they removed, and even they didn't given any alternative way, right? Alternative way. So because of that we are not getting a ribbon, and when we run our application at that time we are getting what, null pointer exception we are getting at that time, right? Come on.
Yes, yes, Ravi. We are getting null point. Same thing.
Yeah, so just don't worry about that. Just what I'm doing now, now I'm creating again this project, right? New, and what I'm doing now let's take what, starter project, right? Starter project
Yes,
now,
Ravi.
and just don't bother about that anything, just next, right? Here we are selecting the version now. So here
Yes, Ravi.
all, here see, here all starter version is showing that project parent project version, it's showing here itself only, right? But just see that, guys. Okay, so last version is what, 2.5.9, but what is that,
9.
and
9.
our ribbon is removed after what is that, 2.2 2.2
2.3.
2.2.11, right? After that version, right, after that version, what happened now, our what, our what, ribbon is removed now, guys. Okay, our ribbon is removed, so don't worry about that. So what we will do it now, just I want to show that in the documentation also, right? See, this version only, then how we can get it, the ribbon? There is no way, right? So just I'm opening the Chrome, guys. Okay, just I'm opening the Chrome, and here only I'm pasting this URL, right? So from the, what is that, see, we can create a, like here also the project na, our spring initializer project, using this URL we can create it na, guys. So just see that here any older version, means what, a 2.2.11 version is there, any version is there? Come on.
Not there. Not there.
Not
No,
there,
Not
right?
there.
no,
No, Ravi. Not there.
no.
Not there. Yes.
Yes.
So means we can't create like what, ribbon compatible project na, we can't create, we can create it, because in their what is that, parent project only they remove, then how it's possible to create it, guys? No na,
No possible.
no possible na, guys. Come on. Possible, right?
Yes, Ravi.
if
We
if
can't.
if
come.
if in a starter project that version is there, then we can able to create it na. Come on yaar, that
Yes,
project.
Ravi.
So the thing is, guys, we will do the coding front of you. I will do the coding front of you, but you know, 6 months before I was doing the experiment on one project, right? Myself only, right? So that project is still there in my workspace. Just I'm going to use that project only, and in that we will complete the coding part. And don't bother about that. What is that dependency? I will show that. And what, because we don't have it here, we don't have that version, how we can create based on that based on that version the project, guys? No na, come on.
Yes, Ravi, no.
No na.
Yes,
So
Ravi.
so what we will do it now, guys? What we will do it now, 1 minute, I will select, this is the lowest version na. Come on guys, come on.
Yes,
Yeah,
Ravi.
2.5.
Yeah,
2.5.
see,
Yes,
all are the newer version. This one only lower version na. Just I'm selecting that one, and here I'm adding, just see this, here I'm adding, what is that, ribbon. Ribbon is coming. No na. Ribbon,
No,
no,
Ravi.
no. But
No,
if we want to add, what is that, spring wave, see this, spring wave is came or not, we can select this
Yes,
dependency,
it's
right? So if ribbon is not coming, how the possibility is there? There is no possibility. So already I was doing the experiment last before 6 months, right? So that project is still is there in my computer. We will import that project and we will complete the coding part, right? We will complete the coding part and we will see that, right? Okay, we will see that, because you know, this is the removed, friend. Okay, this is the removed. I don't have like a how I can how we will experiment on the ribbon? No na.
yes,
no,
Ravi.
we can't.
No. So what I'm doing now, just 1 minute, I'm showing now, guys. Okay, I'm showing now here in my workspace. I seen that already. See, I'm doing the experiment right here. Only that project will be there. I seen that design pattern, spring, angular my project, my practical project, 2 p.m. MTI microservices, employee dev data, 1 minute, programmer.
Ravi, did you start design patterns?
Okay, no issue. If you guys serious about that, I won't have any problem. I will start the design pattern. I know that 23 design pattern, right? 23 design
Yeah,
pattern, I know that.
we need design pattern also, Ravi.
Okay, don't worry, I will see this. This is the project already there in my workspace. Spring Cloud product service. This project is there. This project only I will import in my right, my application.
Yeah, okay, Ravi.
This
Okay.
one.
This is the project we are implementing. Product service.
Yeah, but the thing is, something wrong is there in this project.
This project we are implementing today, Ravi.
Mm. 1 minute. Spring Cloud product service, right? 1 minute. Hey, where I put that project? I took that one. Yeah, this is right. So just what I'm doing now, already, right? Already in I have that project. So what I'm doing now, just I'm deleting this one, right? This one, right? Just I'm deleting this one. Okay, I deleted this one. Okay, so what I'm doing now, just let's take this project inside this workspace now. Okay, in this drive only. So I kept here. Okay, so now, okay, so here is Spring Cloud product, right? Spring Cloud product, this one only na. Let's delete it from here, this one. No, if I delete this one, because I already, 1 minute, this project na, 1 minute, let's cut here, and I'm pasting this one here again. Yes. So now I'm deleting this one, right? Spring Cloud produce services. This one only. 1 minute.
Spring Cloud Product Service.
Yeah, this one. Okay, let's delete this one. Yeah, it's deleted, right? It's deleted. Yeah, this is the deleted. What I'm doing now, this project already I have older version. Based on the older version I was created, right? So what I'm doing now, this project I'm putting inside that what? This drive only, right? In this drive only I'm just putting now. It's came now. So what I'm doing now, let's I'm importing that what project in my Eclipse ID, right? So now new import existing project, browse, go to E drive, and what is the project name? This is right.
Spring Cloud Product
Spring Cloud
Yeah.
Product
Yes,
Service.
Ravi.
Now I'm taking and a pom dot now finish now, guys. Okay. It came now. Spring Cloud Product Services came, right? So now just observe it, guys. Now just observe it. What is the version now? 2.3.11 is there now. Parent project version. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Just
2.3.
Yes, Ravi.
I'm showing that pom.xml, guys, right? So after then
Yeah.
what I said that we need to add what web dependency. After then what we need a ribbon, guys. See this here, ribbon is there now. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
This dependency we need, right? Older version. This is the older project, guys. Okay, because of that we can experiment, right? We can experiment on this one, right? So okay, fine. Now let's understand. Okay, let's understand. So let's understand what coding part. Now come to our what explanation now, guys. So what we will do it now, guys, first we will create what is that, because already this project is created. We created this project, we imported now, nothing is there, right? Nothing, everything we will do coding part we will complete front of, I will complete front of you only, right? Just only one thing,
Yes, Ravi.
just we imported older version project only, right? So now what I'm doing now, guys, what I'm doing now, just what I'm doing now, just I'm opening now here, see this is the project, right? Like how after what creating whenever we are creating the project, how we are getting the folder, all those things is there like this only, right? So what I'm doing now, just I'm removing this one also, right? Just I'm removing. So first what we will do it now, we will add in the what is the Spring Cloud product Spring Cloud Product Services application. What annotation we will apply? We will enable the what? We will enable what now, guys? Client
Eureka client.
Eureka
Enable
client.
Eureka.
So we enable the Eureka client now. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
And what is that? And what application property? Just we need what is that? This property, as well as what is that? Application service ID, and what is that? Sorry, Eureka service location na. Come on.
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
Ravi.
Yeah, so now let's do the coding part now, guys. So what I'm doing now, now we have need to create what is that one controller, REST controller, right? REST controller where we will make the has a relation with what? REST vendor REST consumer. Which one will fetch the data from what? Eureka na? Which one will fetch
Eureka
the
server.
data from the Eureka server, right?
Eureka server.
Okay,
Yes, Ravi.
so what I'm going to do now, right click new, take the class. So here what I'm taking now, client dot what is that? REST consumer. Package name I'm taking, right? Package name. So what we will take the product REST controller, right? Let's product
Yes,
REST
Ravi. Product controller.
REST controller. Now finish. So product REST controller is created now. So now what we will do it now, how we can make this one as a what REST controller, what annotation we will apply now, guys?
At the rate
At the
rest
rate rest
controller.
The rate of rest controller.
At the rate rest controller. Okay, good. So after then what we will do now, if we want to give the class
Request-
level
request
path,
mapping.
then
Request mapping.
Request mapping.
yeah,
At the
request
rate
mapping.
mapping.
Yeah, at the rate request mapping. Inside that, what we will do right now, let's write what is that
Product.
URL.
Product.
product, right? Product. Now,
Mm.
okay, after then what we will do it now, after then it's be where we will where we will write the what is that vendor rest controller. We need what? One
Vendor
object, right? One
controller.
object. Which one will
Yeah.
make the has
Yes,
a
sir.
relation with what? Has a relation with what? This class, right? Means what? Product rest controller. So now let's create one more class or object, we can say, right? Now I'm taking what? One more object. So the object name, let's give what is that? Vendor rest
Vendor
consumer, right?
rest consumer. Yes, Ravi.
Vendor rest consumer. Vendor rest consumer. Now finish it. Okay, so if we want how our IOC container will create the object of this class, what annotation we will apply now?
Component and annotation.
Yeah, we will apply on
At
the
the rate
top
of
of what?
component.
Yeah, we will apply on the top of what? Component. But what is that we need? What is that? Load balancer client. Now that is what? Interface. We seen that, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, sir.
Private. Then what we will
At
take
the
now?
rate of
Load
Load balancer.
load balancer client,
Client.
right? So after then what we will do it now, guys? Now come here in the diagram only, right?
Auto-
So we will make that interface as a what? Auto wire, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
Ravi.
at the rate of the wire.
At the rate auto wiring, right? At the rate what? Auto wiring. Good. Okay, fine now, guys. So now next what we will do it now? Next we will write one what? We will write what is that?
Method.
Choose method,
On
right?
a handle.
Sorry, this operation we will do that, right? So we need what? One method, right? We need to write what?
Yes,
One
so
method. So
one
what?
method.
Yeah, so let's write that method now, guys. So what is the method? Let's give what is that method name? Get data. So public
Request.
string
Get data.
get data now. Okay, return type return. I'm taking just now null only, later we will write. Okay, so okay, fine now, guys. So here what we are doing now, we have need to get one instance ID, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, sir.
Get
One instance ID.
instance ID, one instance ID. So for to calling what is that, what to get what? So
Client dot.
to getting the what? To getting what? One instance. What first? What we will do now? We will choose that service ID. Then we can get the instance. Na, come on, yaar.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
Yes,
so
choose.
so client dot what?
Choose.
Client dot choose.
Client dot choose method is there. Inside that, what we will select it now? What we will select it now? We will select what is that? Our what? Our consumer, our provider, producer service ID, producer what?
Service ID. Yes.
Service ID. What is the service ID now, guys? Vendor service,
Vendor
right?
service.
Vendor.
Yeah, vendor service. We will take it now. This one will return what? This one will return what? What return? It will return one single instance. Now, guys, come on.
Yeah, instance
Yes,
ID.
sir,
will
we
return
What
one
is that?
Instance.
This one is returning what now, guys? Instance, right?
Service.
Service instance. So okay, now guys, if you want to see that a choose method, what is the choose method is returning now? Opening now. So what is the return type now, guys? Choose method. Come on.
Service instance.
Yeah,
Service
service.
instance.
Yeah, service instance, right? Its return type is what? Service instance. Single instance. It will return, guys. Okay. Control Shift O. Okay, fine now, guys. So next one is what? Next step is what? Next step is what? Creating the URL na.
Creating URL.
Yeah,
Yes,
we
Ravi.
can make the request.
Create URL, right? So how we can create the URL now, guys? We will fetch the URL from the what is that? Service
Yes, sir.
instance,
Yes,
right? So get
URI.
URI, right? Get
URI.
URI. After then, yeah.
Plus
Path.
After then,
adding
what
the
we
path.
need? Yeah, very nice, very nice. We need to add the path, na? We need to add the our consumer path, our producer path, right? We need to add what? Our producer path, na? So where the
Yes, Ravi.
producer application? Yeah, this is right. So open the producer controller. Now I'm opening the producer controller. Vendor
Vendor
Data.
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 slash
Data.
vendor slash what is that? Data, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Now this one will return what is that? String of URL, right? Come on,
Yes,
friend.
Ravi.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi. String URL.
Okay, fine. Now after
Mm.
after getting that URL, what we will do it now? We will make the request to whom? We will make the
First
request to whom?
template.
This consumer, right? Then we will make the request to whom? After getting the URL using one client, what we will do it now? We will make the request to this consumer, na guys. Come on, yeah.
Yes, Ravi. Yes,
Yeah.
Ravi.
Yes. Rest template by using.
Okay, so we will use what is that? Let's take REST template
Rest
directly.
template.
REST template, right? REST template RT equal to new REST template, right?
Rest template.
REST template. Here, what we
Yes,
will do it now? RT dot what is that? Get object, right?
get for
Sorry.
entry.
Get entity.
Yeah, get for
entity, Ravi.
yeah, get for
object.
entity. Also, we can take get for object. Also, it will return what is that? One string type directly. Okay,
Same.
no need to take the conversation. So here, what we will take now? String dot what? Class.
String dot
Oh,
class.
yeah, so this method will return what? This method will return what? See this any type means what? We can take the string also, right?
Yes, Ravi.
So
Yeah,
here
yeah.
yeah, directly what I'm taking now is string res, right? Response. Now we will return that response here. We will return
Yes,
that
Ravi.
response here. Now our what vendor rest consumer is ready now. So we will use that vendor rest consumer here. So what we will do now? Private what? Private vendor
Vendor rest consumer. Consumer.
consumer, right? Vendor rest consumer, and then what we will make it now, guys? At the rate,
Auto
yeah, at the rate
Auto
auto. Now here also let's write one method, right? Where we will see that our what? Our
Yeah.
application is working perfectly or not. So I'm writing what is that one method? Public. Here I'm
string
writing
get
what?
info.
Yeah. So here I'm
String.
writing what is that? Yeah. String get info. Get info return type. Return I'm taking what? Return I'm taking what?
No.
This one is from
String data.
Consumer.
this one. Yeah, product. This one is what? Product application, right? This one is what? Product application plus what is that? We need what? Our provider data also. So what we will do now? Plus consumer plus
Consumer
what?
dot get data.
Yes, plus consumer dot what is that? Get data. This method
data.
calling, right? Get
Yes, Ravi.
but how? What is the methodology? We will let's take this one also as what? Get type at the rate at a get mapping, right? At the rate get mapping.
Yes,
Here what we will take? Info. Now fine. Now guys, so our code is ready. Now let's run our application and we will see that. So first what we will run it now, guys? Which application we will run now? First what application we will run? Which one we will run it now? Which one we will run it? Anyone?
Eureka server.
Eureka server.
Yeah, first we will
Eureka server. We have
yeah,
to run.
first we will run what is that? Eureka server, right? This one na?
Eureka server.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
So
Yeah.
now I'm running this one, guys. Okay, I'm running this application now, guys. Okay. So come to browser now. Come to browser now, and what we will do it now, guys? So here check it. What is that? HTTP 81, right? This one 87. So there is no instance currently. Any instance is running?
Not there.
Not
No
there.
instance.
No, Ravi.
So
Not
I
running.
said that, okay,
Not
I
there.
said that this application we will run what? How many time, guys? 3 times. Okay.
3 times.
Okay. So now come here, right? Come here in what? Vendor application. So here what we will do it now? Now come to starter class, run one time Spring Boot application and open the property and change the port number, guys, because in a same port number multiple time things will not work. Let's change the 2. again. Now run one more time. Now come here. Now see this. One instance is running now. One vendor service instance is running now, guys. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Yes, na?
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah. So
Yes,
now come
Yeah.
come here again. Now I'm running the same application again. Now see this. Okay, good. So now come again, Eureka dashboard. Now refresh it, guys. How many instances is running now, guys? Vendor services, how
Two
many
instances.
instances?
Two.
2 instances running now. See this one and
Two
here
instances.
2 instances. Let's run one more time. Now change the port number. What is this? Now make this one as what? 1. Make this one as what? 1. And what we will do it now again we will run the same application, right? Now right click
Yes, sir.
and run this one, right? Right click and run this one. Now come again the dashboard, right? Come, how many instances is running in this time now, guys?
3 instances.
3
Three
instances.
Ravi.
3 instances is running, right?
Yes.
3. Okay, good guys, good. 3 instances is running now. Now let's run our what consumer application and we will see that load balancing concept. Okay, so good.
Ravi, can we run more than 3?
Sorry.
Can we run more than 3 times Ravi instance here?
Yeah, any
Yeah.
200 by default capacity is what? 200, right? By default initial day
200.
only I was
Default
explained.
200.
By
Yes.
default 200 instance we can run it at a single time, right? So okay, good. So here what is the Spring Cloud product, right? So I said that okay, consumer application we will run only one time now, guys. Okay, we will run how many time now? One time. Okay,
One
so
time.
now okay, now let's run it. Okay, now let's run it. So open this one and what we will do it now, this one only, right? Yeah. Now right click and run the application again. Divya, don't worry, I will upload the video, right? I will upload the video, don't worry about that. Okay, don't worry about that. So good. So okay, now come here and refresh it. Now come here and refresh it. Now in this time, what is that? Product services also is there now? Come on, guys.
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
there one time.
Yes,
Okay,
Ravi, we are good.
our
We
product service,
we have done that.
our product service is consuming vendor services, vendor services na consumer. You see, this is the provider. This application is what? This application is what? Provider, and this one is consumer na, guys. Come on.
Consumer application. Yes, Ravi.
So
Yes.
now we will
Yes,
click
Ravi.
in, the consumer application, and here what we will do it now, guys? What we will do it now? Now we will make the request to whom? This
Product info.
yeah, so we will make the request to whom now? We will make the request to whom? 1 minute, where that one? Yeah, this one only, right? So this is the
Yeah,
control
product info, Ravi.
product and what info na? Now come here, product / info. Now hit it. Now hit the URL. See this working or not, guys? Come on, yaar. This one is working or not?
Yes, Ravi.
So
Yeah,
Yes, Ravi.
this response we are getting from what? This response we are getting from what? From the product, and this one is from the vendor. And what is the service ID we read na? This service ID is there na, guys? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Noise is happening, please listen. Some story is there behind, because of that I'm explaining. Now I'm refreshing, so load balancer will work, guys. Okay, every time what? Same instance will not come. See this one will change. Okay, this one will change. I'm just copying this one. Okay, notepad. Which one having the less load factor, that one will work, right? That one instance, that instance will run, that instance. Now I'm refreshing now. See this, it's changed now. See this one is changed
yeah.
or not?
Ravi.
This one is
We are
changed or
getting
not?
liquid.
This one is changing now. See,
Yes,
previous what hexadecimal code is different, and now this one is different now.
Yes,
Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay.
Now, now
Because of that random value, this here it is getting changed always. each
no,
time.
this is the behind this one. It's working what load factor, which one?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, load factor, which one having the less load factor, that one, that instance will execute, right? Now refresh again, now
Oh,
refresh
okay.
again, now refresh again, now refresh again. Now come here. Now see
Now
this.
we will get 3 instance IDs.
See, yeah, yeah, 3 instance ID we will get now, but currently we are getting 2 instance ID again and again. Randomly, this one will select. Now again refresh it. Now,
Randomly.
oh, yeah, this one, yeah. See this again. This time another instance ID we get, right? We get another instance ID. See this now. How many? This one is different. This one is different, and this one is different or not, guys? Come on.
Yes,
yes,
Ravi.
we are
Yes,
So,
Ravi.
getting
so,
separating
so,
shade.
so, so load balancer client is working behind load balancer load balancer client is working in what? What? It's working in what? Load balancer concept or not, guys? Come on, it's working load balancer concept or not? But what is that? The previous in the previous client, its possibility is there. Which one
No,
having
Ravi.
the which one
Not there,
having
Ravi.
which one having the less load factor? That one, no, because all instances is returning a single time only, right? In that discovery
Yes,
client,
Ravi.
in the discovery client, all instances is returning a single time only. But here what? Only one instance is returning at a time, right? At a time. And which one, right? Just assume that if what, one microservices is what, full busy, then what is that? Another microservices will return, not request will go to same microservices, right? Clear, guys?
Yeah, okay.
Yes, Ravi.
Now,
Yes, Ravi.
guys,
Clear, Ravi.
I kept my 100%, guys. See this at the time, because of the version change, within the 6 month only, how the technology is changing now, guys. If we are not updating ourselves, then just think about that, where we are now. I just and only one things, guys, okay?
Yes.
Based on my experiences only, I'm delivering the subject to you people. If just think about that, if I'm preparing myself, then I can't write, I can't stop the session, and I can't tell na ki tomorrow I will explain us, give me some time. Just see, after you guys are doing the so many things, I know that, right? After completing our session, but still because of you guys only, I experimented, and even I studied the documentation, why ribbon is not working, so I got the point. And then I thought that, okay, I have older project, let's import it, and let's do the coding there only, then people will get the picture. Do the hard work, guys, okay? Do the hard work, guys. Because of you guys only I'm doing it. Otherwise, I'm so good in the technology, what is the use, right? What is the use for me to deliver the helping the people without money? I'm not money minded person, right? I'm earning the money from the so many different places, right? So because just only my one intention is there, I don't want to do the business with the education, because I'm getting so much opportunity from other places, guys.
Yes, Ravi. Thank you.
Thank you, Ravi.
Yeah, debugging also I will, okay?
If it's possible, one session Ravi, I'm facing more than debugging process. I'm
Sorry,
changing the new project.
sorry.
That's why I'm changing the new project recent. I'm changing the news project recently. That's why I'm asking.
Okay, no issue. Okay, already. Actually, I spent a lot time today, because my weekend is what, a whole day my going in what, office work, and weekend also I'm expending my time with you guys only. It's just to give me some time. Definitely debugging also I will explain it, okay? In the microservices only I will give.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Sure.
please, yeah.
Actually, Saturday, Sunday, very important time.
Yeah. So okay, actually, guys, okay. So now we completed. Tomorrow we will under what? Fin client. Don't miss the session, guys. Tomorrow, that is what, that is the, in the industry also people are using that client only, right? That client only in industry people are using. So don't miss the tomorrow session. Let's connect tomorrow, right? Let's connect tomorrow. Okay, guys.
Yeah, sure, Ravi. Thank you so much.
Okay, Ravi.
Yeah,
Thank you
okay,
very much.
okay, Ravi. Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks for
Okay.
Ravi, 1 minute.
Yes,
Ravi,
yes.
Ravi,
Ravi.
1 minute. 1
Ah,
minute.
yes,
1
yes,
minute.
yes, 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 yes.
Can you upload this session link?
This session
Can you
link.
upload this session link?
Yeah,
Video?
yeah. YouTube video you want, right?
Yeah, YouTube video I'm asking.
Yeah, don't worry. I will upload it. Don't worry about that. Okay. I will
Okay, Ravi.
upload it. Okay, guys. So, okay. Bye bye. Good night. And
Good night,
Bye.
Ravi.
Good
Bye,
night.
Ravi.
who is there in the day zone, for them, good morning, right? Okay, guys. So let's okay.
Okay, bye.
Have a good day for those people, and who is there belonging from the
Thank you.
India, for those people. Good night. We will meet
Yeah, okay,
tomorrow,
good
guys.
night.
Okay, good night. We will meet
Okay,
tomorrow, guys. We will meet tomorrow. Bye bye, guys.
bye.